Hello. A black body emit radiation and the maximum peak value of wavelength of this black body radiation is governed by a law known as Wein's displacement law. What Wein's displacement law says, the maximum wavelength times temperature is equal to constant, and this constant is known as Wein's displacement constant. That is, the maximum emission wavelength is inversely proportional to temperature. If temperature is less, the peak value of wavelength is maximum. If temperature is high, the peak value of wavelength is just minimum. So it is just a formal definition. What the actual definition say, what is Wein's displacement law and what is its application? If I just explain it, I can say that red light has lesser frequency but higher wavelength, and blue has higher frequency and less wavelength. For a red light, that is for higher wavelength, what should be the temperature? The temperature must be low, as the relation is inversely proportional. Now for blue light, what is for blue light? For blue light, the wavelength is minimum. If wavelength is minimum, what is the value of temperature? The temperature must be maximum. So I can say that hotter things means for which temperature is just high. For hotter things, the glow of light must be bluer. Why bluer? Because if temperature is high, the wavelength must be minimum. If wavelength must be minimum, what is the color? The color must be blue. And if temperature is less, that is for cool temperature or for cooler things, what is the color of its glow? The glow must be red. Why red? When the temperature is small, I can say the wavelength is maximum. For which light wavelength is maximum? For red light wavelength is maximum. So more formally, I can state Wein's displacement law as for hotter things the color is blue and for cooler things the color is red. Now where do we get the application of this law? The application of this law may found in some common non-general case, like see for gas stove flame. When the color of flame is blue, the temperature must be high. When the color of flame is red, the temperature must be low. Now see, if you are a stargazer, you just see that there are some stars which are blue, but that is they glow as blue, and there's some star they glow as red. Now you can say that the blue stars are more hotter, or the temperature of blue star is very high, and the temperature of red star is comparatively low. Why? Because of this Wein's displacement law. Okay.